Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour continuer notre aventure sur Beyond Two Souls, où la dernière fois, on était chez les Navarros. Et cette fois-ci, peut-être on va retourner voir un peu de civilisation. Voyons voir.
Jody, my little princess. Oh, ooh, let me look at you, girl. Oh my God, what a beautiful young woman you've become. Just as pretty as ever. A little sad and lost, like the first time I saw you.
You can't even imagine how much I missed you.
And how's Aiden? Oh yeah, good to see you too, buddy.
Walk with me?
Yeah. I was worried. They're looking for you.
I had to run away. I mean, I had no choice. Have they made any progress on the Infraworld?
Oh, they've sunk millions into developing a new condenser, the most powerful ever created. Of course, that was only possible once the Army got involved.
How's Nathan?
Oh, he's the big boss now. He's running the DPA. He's come a long way since the days of our little lab.
And you? What are you working on?
I'm running a small group. We're trying to classify types of entities, see if they're different species, that kind of thing. It's not the highest priority, but I get to do what I want. So.
What I talked to you about? Did you find out anything?
On the day you were born, a woman named Nora Gray had a child in the DPA hospital. Her child was declared stillborn.
Where is Nora now?
She was interned in a psychiatric hospital just after she gave birth. According to her file, she should still be there now.
My mother's been in a mental hospital for 24 years. I mean, why? What happened?
That's all the file said. I'm so sorry.
I've got to go see her.
Jody, I know how you feel, but she's in a mental hospital. You might not get the answers you're looking for.
I'm not looking for answers. I just need to see her. I mean, don't you understand? She's my mother. If I look her in the eye, I could find out who I truly am.
Jody, she's in a high-security DPA facility, and you're wanted by every law enforcement agency in the country. You won't be able to walk right in.
Nothing's gonna stop me from seeing her. Look. You've taken a huge risk helping me. Thank you, Cole.
Hey. You didn't think I was gonna let you go alone, did you? I don't like it, Jody. No guard on gate, empty parking lot. Something doesn't feel right.
I'm not back in 30 minutes. Just go.
Girl, I didn't come here to wait in no car.
Cole, wait.
Et donc on va rencontrer notre mère. Ok. Ou bien, on va peut-être avoir des réponses. Et on va juste rentrer comme ça.
Try the polite approach. Gets them every time.
Et normal.
Hey, I've come to see Nora Gray.
Can I see your authorization?
Authorization. God, I knew I forgot something.
I'm sorry. All visitors must have the correct authorization.
Ouais.
Hey, we don't know what room she's in.
I'll find out.
Bien vu.
Found her. Nora
Niveau-
Gray, 7th floor, room 43.
7ème chambre 43. Ok.
So far, so good.
Ok, y a quelqu'un.
What now?
Aiden, find a way to open that door.
Ok. Est-ce que je peux te distraire d'abord, non? Non. Ok. C'est pas grave. Et puis il va refermer la porte.
You gotta distract the guard first.
Oui, je sais.
Have a look around.
Je peux le distraire avec ça. C'est pas assez? Oh. Ok. Alors ça te perturbe pas. Ok.
Nice, Aiden. Now unlock the door. Come on.
Hop. On se dépêche. De faire griller.
I don't think he saw us.
There must be something.
Ouais, il doit y avoir un truc à faire ici. Déjà, il y a des caméras partout. Hop, on va faire dégager ça. Est-ce qu'il y en a d'autres? On voit pas d'autres. Est-ce qu'il y en a en plein milieu? Non. Ok. Comment j'ouvre cette porte? Comment j'ouvre cette porte? Non, il doit y avoir autre chose à faire. Ici, là il faut un passe. Ok. Oh. Ok, on va s'occuper des caméras ici. Regarde le mur, toi.
Oh, he's too far away.
Mince. Mince, mince, mince.
I can see you, Aiden.
Sérieux?
I can see you.
Comment tu peux me voir? Ok, c'est flippant. Donc toi t'es trop loin. Ah ouais, mais il pionce aussi.
Bring him here, Aiden.
Ben oui, je veux bien, mais... Cool, il a un pass. Donc... Ouais, prends le pass. Ok. On va essayer d'être malin avec les caméras.
Jesus. Crazy folk really freaked me out. Can we find room 43 and get the hell out of here?
We mustn't neglect anything. We have to study the smallest detail. We'll have a big problem later on if we neglect the details. Oh no, don't worry. I won't tell anybody. They won't understand. It'll be our little secret.
D'accord. Le moindre petit détail, ok. On néglige aucun détail. Il va y avoir des caméras ici, il n'y en a pas là, il y en a une là.
43! I found it, Jody!
Good job.
Genre t'as couru dans le couloir avec toutes les caméras. Oh là là. Oui bah t'es ici, t'es ici. Ah, gros malin va. Ok, je suis trop loin. On va se rapprocher. Hop. On va essayer de pas se faire choper. Non, de l'autre côté, il doit y en avoir aussi. Toi c'est fait, hein. Ouais, toi c'est fait. On a une juste devant, genre. Il va falloir qu'on fasse celle-là aussi. Et je me rapproche genre un peu. Est-ce que je peux l'avoir? Oui. Ok. Là-bas on peut pas y aller. Celle-là c'est fait. Non, il faut pas que je me mette devant ces caméras-là. On va s'aventurer un peu plus loin, voir s'il y en a d'autres. Au cas où. Il y en a une ici. On va essayer d'aller chercher la dernière caméra. Yes. Elle vient là. Voilà. Normalement on a fait toutes les caméras. Ok. Les chambres.
Go away! Stay out of my room! You're the devil! The devil?
Pardon. On va checker la 42. Ok. On va faire toutes celles en face.
Why do you want to hurt me? I didn't do anything. No, I didn't do anything. You have got to stop torturing me. I need to sleep. You understand? I need my rest. Yes, that's it. I have to get my rest. I can't stand it anymore. I'm at the end of my rope. All these voices in my head, a day and night, it's becoming unbearable. You understand? Unbearable!
Je comprends. Qu'est-ce que tu cherches toi? Quelque chose en dessous? Non. Eh ben bon courage dans tes recherches. On va continuer. Il y a un truc à faire ici, attends. On peut faire. Qu'est-ce que c'est? J'ai débloqué un bonus. Ok. Très bien. J'ai bien fait de chercher. Ok, donc là on est à la moitié. Hop, on va refaire un tour. Les câbles normalement elles sont mortes. On va se mettre là. À 44.
Leave me alone. Stop it. I beg you. Please stop. Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Go away. Go away. They're here. You hear me? They're here.
À qui il parle et de quoi il parle? C'est perturbant quand il dit go away, go away. Ok, ici il y a personne. Ici.
Are you willing to sacrifice your life to save this crazy world, Jody?
C'est une excellente question. Et ces chambres-là, on les a déjà vues de toute façon, il me semble. Oui, on les a déjà vues. Eh ben, on a fait le tour. Allez, on va voir notre daronne. Voyons voir. Ok. Elle dit rien.
I'll wait here. Jody, she may have lost her mind. She might not even know you're there. Maybe you shouldn't go in.
Pardon Cole, mais je suis allé trop loin pour faire demi-tour maintenant. C'est une évidence.
Mom, it's me. Jody.
Oh non.
Your daughter. I'm your daughter. Help me, Aiden.
Well done, Nora. The mother and the father, both gifted. Do you realize how important this baby is? You won't be able to, Nora. Let us take care of everything. It's for the best. You know that.
That's my baby! Bring her back! I've changed my mind! I want her!
Sedate her quickly.
Please!
Get the baby out of here.
See her! Please let me see her! I love my child! Please
She
let
may
me
develop
see
some
her!
special abilities. Let us know as soon as anything unusual happens. Increase the dose. Make sure she never regains consciousness.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was my fault.
Qui a décidé ça?
What, Aiden? What are you trying to show me? Destroy this thing, Aiden. Destroy it now!
Encore, il y en a plein.
My little girl. My little girl. I was so afraid I would never see you again. I've missed you so much, Jodie. I've missed you so much. What happened? What did they do to you? The drugs they gave me trapped me in this hell. There's nothing I can do. Just wait for it to end. I'm gonna get you out of here. I'm gonna help you. It's too late, Jodie. It's too late. I love you more than anything else in the world. Nothing will ever change that.
Oh.
I'll always be with you.
I'm sorry, Jodie.
Où est-ce que je suis encore? Où est-ce que je suis? Où est-ce que je suis? What? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Oh, c'est le bureau de Nathan? Ok, on dégage de là. spécialement envie de tomber sur lui.
The most powerful condenser ever created. Impressive, isn't it?
Nathan. Oh,
Jody, it's good to see you.
Hmm.
I was so afraid something happened to you. You've lost weight. You look exhausted. But at least you're alive. Let's go into my office. Please, have a seat. How do you feel?
I've been better. That hit on the head did not help.
No, I'm sorry. I told them not to hurt you. I just didn't want to give you a chance to use Aiden.
What happened to my mother, Nathan?
Nora wasn't stable. They were afraid she was a danger to herself and her baby.
My mother would never hurt me.
They couldn't take that chance. Look, I was a researcher at the DPA, Jody. I didn't discover until much later what happened.
How did they find me?
They've been tracking you ever since you escaped. They wanted to kill you. But I convinced them to wait for a while, watch you from a distance.
Why did you never tell me about my mother? Why did you hide the truth all these years?
I tried to tell you. But how do you tell a little girl that her life isn't real? So, I looked after you, loved you, tried to protect you as best as I could.
So now what? You're just gonna hand me back to the CIA? Is that the plan, Nathan?
They brought you here because they have something for you to do, and they'd be very grateful if you do it.
You're asking me to help the people who wanted to kill me? Is that what you're asking me, Nathan?
Listen, Jody.
Why should I listen to you? You work for them, and you lied to me about my mother and my parents, and for what? The money, or the power, or the fame?
Oh, stop that, Jody. You know that's not true.
I know nothing anymore.
We know another country has discovered the infraworld. They think it's something to be controlled or manipulated. They have no idea what they're dealing with. If entities enter our world, do you know what that would mean, Jody?
What has all this got to do with me?
Because you know the infraworld better than anyone.
It's the CIA's job. And I'm done with that.
They want to offer you a deal. You do this for them, and they let you out, you're free. Jody, do you know what would happen if a passage is open? It'll be the apocalypse. You have the power to stop this.
Et c'est une fin de chapitre. Alors, question sur Dawkins posée, oui. Distrait les gardes avec ah, avec le panneau électrique. J'aurais pu faire ça avec le PC aussi, ok. J'ai mis fin aux souffrances de Nora. J'ai pensé que c'était le mieux, avec un gros point d'interrogation dessus. Le nom de mon père est toujours inconnu. Ah, c'est vrai ça. J'ai pas demandé. J'ai exploré les cellules avec Aiden, c'est vrai. Et j'ai pris le médaillon. Et pour cette fois-ci, ça sera une fin d'épisode.